Hi world, this is Fernando from Wanica Games. This is Amanda, also from Wanica Games.
Yeah.
Amanda, what game did we get today?
Zombie Kids. But they wrote it wrong though.
No.
Yeah, that's
Well, it's fun. And it's called Zombie Kids?
Evolution.
Okay.
With a little bit of blood right there and there and there.
Yeah, it's purple blood from the zombies.
So you see a bunch of things over there, a bunch of colors.
It's a very colorful game. I love the design and the art.
So I'm gonna open this up.
Maybe the zombies are pulling that.
This is okay, fine then. So here is the game things. So here are the 4 characters, but some of them are upside down. So now here are the other 2 characters. And there's a bunch of Z's, and there's also some locks right there.
Yeah, we're gonna learn how to play later. We can make a different video about that. But I think the locks are for the doors to keep the zombies out.
That actually is true because I read that in here.
What about who are you here? Who looks like you?
I am that one with the gun and
Who's
the
gonna be your
skateboard.
sister? I think this.
Lasers. Acts as lasers.
Oh wow. Okay.
You're the baker.
Yeah, I love bow and arrow.
Dad.
I guess mom has the.
Dad.
Will have the water.
Mom,
The
you're
water
scared.
gun.
You're scared. So here's the zombie hunter's guide. Caution. You'll see a number of envelopes in the box. Don't open them until you're allowed to.
Okay.
And I already.
So we cannot open them until we get there in the story.
So here are 3 of the envelopes. 1, 3, 5. I don't know why they're undone. But
Oh, because here are the rest.
okay. But here we also have a little poster that says Zombie Teams, which is also a game. And here is actually the scoreboard. Here's the gym, cafeteria, and a random class. And then over here in the corner, if you have the game, you might notice that there's just a bunch of little zombies trying to get into school.
You want to open it?
Yeah.
Okay, you have 2 sides. Can I show them?
Yeah.
You have. It's double-sided.
Yeah. So let's just put
We'll
it down.
later. Oh wait. Well,
This one is in the daytime and this one is in the nighttime.
Oh, you're so smart. I didn't see that.
Yeah, because here it gets a little bit darker there,
And
so
the
it
lights
makes
are
it
on.
scary. It makes it more scary for them. And then there is the gym right here. You have the working room right here.
So the zombies don't sleep?
Nope. They hunt at night. That's the scarier part. Here is a class. Here is another class. Here's the cafeteria, and here I guess is the teacher's lounge.
So the zombies don't sleep. They are like your oldest sister.
No, my oldest sister sleeps.
Never?
Yeah, they're like me. I can barely even sleep. So here in the corners, you see 2 things, but I'm going to flip it back to daytime.
Yes, because we're still daytime when we're recording this.
Yeah. So here you actually see a gun. Right there.
It's
You
a
see
water, please.
you want to see
Oh.
one of those little gun thingies right there. It's a water pistol. And I'm going to keep unboxing. So here are more of the things.
I think those are scenarios and we have to play them.
And here
all of them.
but here it also says a number because here it's number 6 because it has the line under. So don't forget to see that line or else you're going to open
Number 9 instead. You don't want to make that mistake. Oh, these. Tell me what
And
you
then
see.
you have the zombie dice, which has a little zombie, well, a weird zombie with a ruler in his head.
And I think they match the colors of the game.
Yeah.
So green,
Green,
purple,
green, purple, yellow, blue, and red. And then this one, I guess, means you're free.
that means that no zombies are attacking.
Yeah. And then here you have a bunch of little placing thingies.
Standees.
Standees. Yes. Standees.
I think it's pronounced standees. I don't know.
And then here...
Little plastic thingies sounds better to me. I
No.
speak Spanish, that's my first language.
So here is all the little standees, and if you don't know what that is, I'll just point on put it close to the camera. So here is the standees.
Okay.
And that is the end of unboxing.
And you want to play the game, and then we can tell people how it went and if we like it.
I think we should make a different video of that.
We will do.
So then we don't have to show them the same.
Okay. Then we're done with the unboxing. This is Zombie Kids Evolution with Fernando and Amanda. And this is Wanaka Games. Let's play a better world.